What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video, man. Look, I ain't feel like busting out the big boy camera today, so I just came with the good old iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is not an ad, but let's go ahead and get right into this video, okay? So I want to talk to y'all today about the top 5 phone apps that you need for 2022, man, to get out here and rock and roll, start getting these deals on the go. You feel me? So let's just get rocking and rolling. The first app that I'm going to recommend is the PropStream mobile app. All right, for all of my people out here that like to do driving for dollars, you riding around, you finding properties that's vacant and distressed, is one of the best methods out here. You want to have that PropStream mobile app. It's going to get the job done for you. You can send direct mail from there. You can skip trace from right there. You can run comps from right there. You can basically run your entire business off of the PropStream mobile app. Don't hesitate. Make sure you grab it today. All the links in this video will be in the description. All right. Next is going to be Rei Reply. Okay. The Rei Reply mobile app though, y'all. A lot of y'all got Rei Reply, but y'all don't have the mobile app. What are you doing? Make sure that y'all go download the Rei Reply mobile app so you can respond back to these text messages on the go. Like, you can't beat it. Trust me, y'all. Like, the app is amazing. A lot of these text messaging companies, their apps are trash. Look, trust me. The Rei Reply app gets the job done. It's well worth downloading. Make sure that you have it. You can text and call people directly from the app, y'all. Don't hesitate. Make sure that you grab. Next, it's gonna be Sign Now. Sign Now, y'all. A lot of y'all are probably still using apps that you only can use on the computer, stuff like that. Or maybe you're still using DocuSign. Me personally, I got rid of DocuSign because I've realized that Sign Now was significantly easier to actually set up, actually use, actually send out those templates and create those templates in the first place. So I'm only using Sign Now for now on to get my document signed. If I got a JV agreement I need signed, a purchase and sale agreement, a little assignment contract, I'm gonna be using Sign Now to get that document signed, okay? Next is gonna be Agile CRM. Agile CRM. That's what I personally use. I still see hundreds of people, thousands of people still using Podio. Me personally, I can't rock with Podio. It's a little bit too old school for me. It feels like it was built in the early 2000s or the late 1990s, and I'm just not with that. I like updated user interfaces. That's basically what Agile is going to do. Is going to allow you to be able to track all of your stuff, all of everything inside of your business. It connects with Zapier, so you can automate everything from your dialer platform or your text messaging platform and have everything just stored inside of your CRM automatically, man. Make your life easy. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. I'm trying to tell you. And then lastly in this video, man, the last phone app that I got for y'all for 2022, pay attention, is Asana, okay? Asana, Asana. That's my project management. So I've been talking about Asana for years, man. Asana is one of the best apps out there to be able to actually track what's going on in your business, okay? Like, you want to know who has what task and when they need to be done, basically, right? So you want to be able to monitor your team. You could be inside of there, you could be text messaging your staff members like, hey, John, make sure that you get XYZ done. You assign that task to them, give them a due date. And then if it's not done, then you're like, hey, John, what's up, man? Like, what's good, bro? Like, are you going to finish this task or what? Basically, that's how it works, man. So Asana is an amazing resource to actually be able to monitor your team, to actually be the boss in your organization so your staff knows what they need to do, so then they can get you the best results, man. So like I said, man, I'm not going to hold y'all up in this video, man. That's 5 phone apps that you need to grab for 2022 so you can get out here rocking and rolling.
We got the PropStream mobile app. We got Rei Reply for the texting. We got Sign Now to get your documents signed. We got Agile CRM so you have a nice, clean database. And then we've got Asana for your project management, making sure that everything is flowing through the pipeline and no leads are slipping through the cracks.
All right, man. Hey, look, if y'all want more content like this, man, make sure that y'all check out this video right here. And I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Until next time.